keep time.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I just closed the previous video. Anyways, I have something really important to install on the 240, and we just got it in this morning, and I had to go pick up some stuff at the post office because they're not delivering any mail on my house right now. So two main components, two main parts right now that I have to add on I have to put on the car as we speak, like right now, because you can't move without it. So the box is right there. My son's carrying it. Anyways, I don't want to give you more information until I get to my buddy's UN Wraps, because that's where the car is. Big shout out to the homie. That's right. Big shout out to the homie. Anyways, I'll pick up the camera when I get there and you guys see what I have in store for you guys. Alright, so I already made it at UN Wraps. I'm inside the 240. Let me show you guys what I'm working on right now. I already opened it, showed the homie. But yes, carbon fiber steering wheel all the way around. Let me roll the cinematics. What do you guys think about that shot real quick? Anyways, I'm gonna try to install this thing. I'm not sure if this hub is, what do you call it? I'm not sure if the steering wheel fits this hub. I'm gonna try to fit it as, I'm not gonna do it straight right now, just as long as it's there and we know we can steer the vehicle, that's fine. Either way, I might be ordering a different hub, maybe an NRG with a quick release as well. So yeah, let me just start installing the new part and the first modification on the 240. Alright, so how I usually do it is put a one bolt or one screw, hold it. Well, let me put these in the ashtray. I can see I have my ashtray because I do. Let me adjust it here, and it actually fits. So this is like one way down, like my mom. Oh. Let me tighten all of them up and show you guys how it looks. There it is. Like I said, it's not center. I thought it was center, but the wheels are kind of crooked. But there it is, guys. The carbon fiber steering wheel. What I think about the steering wheel is super nice and clean, and it's not the quality on it is super nice, man, honestly. And you guys won't believe how much I got this one for. You don't feel like it's gonna break. You don't hear it cracking, man. So this is really nice steering wheel, man. I'm in love with this thing. It's coming along. All I need is to get a quick release, maybe leave this hub. I'm not sure, it might be a Sparkle or a Momo hub. So because you don't feel cheap at all, but I just don't know what kind of brand is it, so I don't want to trust all the way. But either way, looks really nice. Alright, so I'm removing the front bumper so I can look more closely to the damage before we send it, see if I can pull some stuff out. But all I need is to remove the 10mm nuts right here, and I'll be able to pull it out. Super simple. All the just notice I pull it out and see more damage or more hidden damages. Alright, so bumper's off. Looks like most of the damage was the crash bar. Of course, there is a little bit of frame here, but once he pulls this out, he'll be able to pull this out. It did shift a little bit on this side, as you guys can tell. It creased it a little bit here on this section right here, just because the crash bar was pushed out. Right, so as soon as you push this out, as soon as he pulls this out, you're talking about 3 inches, maybe 3 to maybe an inch out. Good thing is that this pop-up is we can save it. Unfortunate, this one is not so much in a good condition, but I think we can still save it, because I was thinking of running a Sylvia hood with the front bumper that I just bought and the fenders I bought. So also this part of the fenders needs to be straightened out in order to sit flush. It was mainly this and the radiator support that got pretty damaged, but my buddy said he's able to pull it out. But more looking into the damages, yeah, the bumper is pretty much ripped from the bottom, so we can't run this bumper. That's why I already ordered my bumper. So I'm gonna see if we can salvage this hood, which is probably not the best idea, but as you guys can see, the paint on this car was pretty good, and the under the hood, it still looks stock to me. I don't know if it was being resprayed before, but you guys can tell down here or up here, it's really shiny and looks like OEM paint, honestly. But who knows, they might have resprayed it. Either way, I'm gonna remove this fender, see if I can pull some of the hit myself and help my friend out a little bit since I'm out here. Alright, so I already removed the fender, and I'm the first one to remove these bolts down here, this one and the one that goes here in the bottom. But yeah, he got pushed in really bad on this side, so he's gonna have to pull the whole corner in order to straighten it out. But yeah, I'm sure it's doable. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be worse, but no, this is pretty decent, somewhat. Not really, but yeah. On this side, of course, like I said, we have to remove these again in order to get to see the damage on this side now. Let's get to it. Alright, so on this side, the crease is here, so he has to pull it back a little bit. And I already done the wiring tuck here towards the fender. I mean, I already done the wire tuck for me, so I don't have to do that. But still, well, the crease is really bad down up here. And what else? Let me show you this again. So it's been water tucked too, but all this has been pushed out and this caved in a little bit. Other than that, that's it. That's the update on this one. I took this one off just to look into the, what do you call it, the issue, and it looks like it did got pushed in about 6 inches from this side, or a little bit more than that. Either way, we're gonna have my boy take it pretty soon so he can work on it. This on garbage. I'm just gonna put it on there so it doesn't go down while it sits here, so it doesn't, at least not worse than what it already looks like, right? Anyways, that is it. Alright, so all I gotta do now is to remove the wheels, the exhaust, so I can give it back to the homie that showed me the car and check out what my boy is working on right now. There's E46, I believe, that comes out wheels. He has a shit. It's a clean ass color. I'm sure he's gonna be done by the time this video goes up. So look at that camera on this, and he has bright seats, what is this? Low max with NRG steering wheel. That's a short shifter. I'm not so familiar with the E46, but that's a really nice shifter. A lot of Beamers or 335s around that shifter. Anyways, show what my boy's working on. Super clean. Of course, his wives and his buddy. Look at him chilling. And the T40. Alright, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I am pretty stoked with the steering wheel. It looks really nice. Anyways, this, like I said, this is the end of the video. I know it's not the longest video ever, but you guys got an update on how damaged the car is, and of course the install on this carbon fiber steering wheel. I'm pretty stoked, just because, like I said, it's the first modification, and I'm actually back on track with the videos and have a perfect project to start with. I already ordered the fenders, the front bumper. The front bumper is going to be a super clean bumper. There's a lot of people that don't round this bumper because they're pretty expensive, but unfortunately I don't have the big money to buy the whole kit. I just bought the front bumper, and like I said, fenders. I already got actually the radiator that's already at the house. It got delivered at the same time as the steering wheel, but this is more important to install right now, so I came over and installed it. Well, like I said, this is the end of the video. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and comment down below what you think about this thing. It is high quality. Honestly, it is high quality comparing to other steering wheels that are being sold over $500 just because they're carbon fiber. And honestly, there isn't much of a difference in between the other ones and this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like this video, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Make sure you turn on that bell notification, so every time I upload a new video, you guys are the first one to watch it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out. I'll catch you guys on to the next one.
Check it. Yo, this beat so heavily, so I deceptively reach inside of my mind and take whatever's left of me. A soul dissecting me, yeah, a well-known enemy, ever changing the man that I was for, my true identity, yo. Check out my pedigree, school bitches and readily rule rhythms and melodies, fool bitches and heavy weed. Fuck your amenity, life, a given memory, time soon is ending it while we live in selfishly. Cynical brain, killing a physical frame, minimal gain, pitiful lyrical moment of change, pinnacle stage, critical age. Everything that I've done in my life has led me to this day.